All right, so I'm recording again. It has been confirmed by my phone company that I do have service and I have paid in advance. Now I'm going to listen to my message from Apple.
You have no new messages and 3 saved messages. To play your messages, press 1. To change the saved message, 3:05 p.m. sent by 80069277553.
To speak with your advisor, press 1. To receive support for your issue at a later time, press 2. This is Apple support, calling to follow up on your current issue. We seem to have missed you. If you still need help, please contact your advisor directly. Thank you.
To replay this message, press 1. To pause at message deleted. Saved message, Saturday, 6:04 p.m. sent by 8002775. Message deleted. Saved message, Friday, 4:18 p.m. sent by 41632600156. Message deleted. You have no more messages. Or at the main menu. To change your greeting.
All right, so brush has disappeared and I'm going to go out here. I'm going to go S, okay, and it goes here, which it shouldn't. Well, such as, why did it come here? We couldn't look at that false message. Number 611 is a false message. We couldn't renew your service. Your current balance is that. Use a top-up code. That's a false text. Okay, let me go to get brush again. Brush. And there's brush. Go back to message. And this here is a false message. That there is a false message. False text. Okay, that's a false text. So based on I think it was no, this one, no, this one here. See this message, and it is upload number. This one here. Oops. Brush is gone again. Brush is gone again. Okay, it's number 818. Confirmed I paid in advance, right? So this one here. This one here, 818. Let me go get brush again. Nope. Go here. There's brush. So go out here. $819 right there. That's a false message because it's already confirmed that I paid in advance. Okay, 818. So right now I'm going to stop recording. Stop recording. If you don't see the yes, it's because this video has been cut. Okay.